at your hood up north.
Checking third ward, I'm going mental. Fucking up my room, I've been racking up incidentals. Cooking on a tune, I've been chefing up instrumentals. Nothing else to do when you're riding in the in the back of the backseat. Driver running myself like I'm running a track meet. Gotta watch my back now, cause these niggas at me. All black in the Benz when I pull up on you.
They don't wanna see me in the end. In the end.
I be making meals, made it to a hobby. Don't bring that to the crib, keep that in the lobby. You never seen the city unless you land at hobby. Also loaded off the pill, so don't ever try. So if you see me solo dolo, you know what that means. I need fake niggas to get way back. James Harden with the range, on me nigga way back. Homie stars switching lanes, I thought we went way back. You might fear my ideas when it's time to pop pills and pop seals. When I run the fight drill, you right here. Every time we drop out, we drop chills. Tryna tell you, ain't nobody out here going hard for you. Out here going hard for you. Yeah. Shout it. On the scene, pull up on the scene. Sip my tea, lean on here to see. All say it all, take it right. All, take it all, never light. All, had a ball, had a night. All, after all, sleep good.
Sleep through day, then we play all through the late night.
Heard they take that, then they change like a mood ring. I watch them take that, then they change like a mood ring. Pulled out of the hood, Toyota. Drove back to the hood, Lambo. Crazy hands in my soda. Round city with my eyes closed.
I just put an 8 in a liter. Throw some Jolly Rancher in, make it sweeter. Versace my clothes, I with a white hoe and she snorting 3 lines like Adidas.
Smoke some, drink some, pop one. 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 Link up all my niggas and my jokes, yeah. Link up, yeah. Link up, pour my syrup. Cabbage, yeah, they link up. Go do some shit you think of. Lit. All this lit. We might lit. Smoke all my shit, stop and start again. Cause it's sweet, like cocoa. We been hanging outside, ain't going in. Yeah, automatic. Yeah, always got it on me, baby, automatic. Yeah, where I'm at is static, but it ain't got traffic. Yeah, push up on me, them boys make you do a backflip. Balance on the beam. Yeah, balance on the beam. Yeah, I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side. Yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. Yeah, when you're not around, when you throw that to the side. Yeah. I get those goosebumps every time.
I wanna press my line, yeah. I wanna press my. I wanna green like I wanna be like I wanna press my line, yeah.
You think you winning no race? You think all I do is play? I didn't put you in your place, then why you still here in my place? Yeah, thought so. Yeah. And also, you think too much, we all know. You think too much, we all know. I ain't tryna go back to war with your morals. You can't kill the vibe, it's immortal. And I ain't buying it even though I can afford you, cause I know. Pick up the phone, baby. I know you're home, baby. It's lit, I'm in the zone, baby. Straight up. I just put up a phone, baby. Yeah. Never will I cheat on you. Never will I keep me treason. Blowing a bag on you. You all of that for no reason. Backwards, I've been living backwards. On my mattress, orgies on my mattress. Flashes, dreaming, having flashes. Dashing, hoping I don't crash it. My crib ain't got served. I got shit to lose. That shit make me nervous. Haven't been around this year. I like to see you change your gears to emotion that's more faster, babe. I'm gripping like I'm tryna catch up, babe. Bumper, follow me. Rumble, follow me. Roller, follow me. Pop to, follow me. Bring it right there, follow me. Nicest, follow me. Bag it up, just bag it up, yeah. Wanna try this one more again. I've been on the edge. scoping through the lens. These thoughts is in my mind, got me on the drop, got me on the ride to a wonderful time.
Oh my, what a wonderful time. Been a minute since I pulled up outside. Shut it down, yeah, we do that 8 times. Ooh, we got a feeling you might, yeah.